Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best VoIP business phone for small teams by comparing RingCentral and Zoom Phone in 2025. If you're looking for the best VoIP business phone for small teams in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this priced at $10 per user per month. The Zoom Phone metered pack offers unlimited international calling from numbers with an American/Canadian code and metered outgoing calls. This pack also includes services such as IVR call routing, voicemail transcriptions, call recording, and select app integrations. The unlimited pack by Zoom Phone is priced at $15 per user per month. This includes all the features of the metered pack as well as unlimited regional calls in the USA and Canada. An add-on pack allows businesses to make unlimited calls to 19 other countries as well. In the office, you can make and receive calls on a Zoom Phone number through a desk phone or desktop app. Zoom Phone and RingCentral services can be accessed through similar interfaces. RingCentral has a free app for Windows and Mac devices, web browser extension, and desk phone interface. Irrespective of whether you use an Android or iOS device, you can make and receive calls with the Zoom Phone app. Zoom Phone and RingCentral offer similar out-of-office connectivity. Smartphone apps by RingCentral for Android and iOS devices can be used to make and receive calls. Zoom Phone gives businesses an easy way to monitor calls for call quality. Calls made on shared line groups, common phones, etc. can be monitored by supervisors in real time. Supervisors can listen in to calls, whisper to agents, join calls, or take over calls from agents. Zoom Phone's call recording capabilities give it an edge over RingCentral. Call recording is not included in the RingCentral Essential Plan. Standard plan subscribers can record calls manually, while all calls made and received by premium plan subscribers are automatically recorded. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.